Hello, today I will introduce the 122 taper kit. While conventional implant procedures typically require 3 to 4 drilling steps, the 122 taper kit enables implant placement with only 2 drilling steps. The key concept of this kit is the multi-step tapered drill design based on a taper structure. With its superior cutting efficiency, the kit helps reduce overall surgical time. Before introducing the benefits, let's first take a look at the key design features of the 122 taper drill. The first feature is the integrated stopper design. This structure allows more intuitive depth control while reducing the risk of drilling errors. The second feature is the multi-step drill design, which replaces the role of a pilot drill. In other words, the drill can penetrate directly without additional initial drilling steps. The third feature is that the drill itself follows the same tapered body concept as the implant. As a result, the drill helps create an optimized environment for implant placement from the drilling stage. Now, let me walk you through the key benefits of the 122 taper kit. The first benefit is a significant reduction in surgical workflow and up to 50% reduction in surgical time. The drilling sequence shown here is based on a 5.0 x 10 mm implant placement example. In soft bone cases, after using the side cut drill, drilling can be completed with only one additional drilling step using the 122 taper drill, and a one size smaller diameter drill is recommended. In normal bone cases, the procedure is completed with a two-step drilling sequence, and the nominal diameter drill is used as the final drill. Even in hard bone cases, 2 drilling steps are sufficient. No additional cortical drill is required, and a one size larger diameter drill is used as the final drill. The second benefit is convenient and safe implant placement. Compared to conventional taper drills, the 122 taper kit provides improved cutting efficiency for faster drilling performance. 2. In addition, reduced bone heating helps maintain lower temperatures even during high-speed drilling conditions, contributing to safer surgical procedures by reducing the risk of thermal damage. 3. From a durability standpoint, the drill maintains its cutting performance even after 100 uses. In other words, the kit provides both economic efficiency and procedural safety at the same time. The 122 taper kit offers 4 major advantages simultaneously: minimized drilling steps, reduced surgical time, reduced heat generation, and improved initial stability. Now let me introduce 122 taper kit components. The kit components include drilling tools such as side cut drill, twist drill and 122 taper drill, implant placement tools, and a torque wrench and depth gauge. The drilling protocol is also simplified, requiring only 1 drilling step in soft bone and 2 drilling steps in normal and hard bone cases. Lastly, the 122 taper kit is compatible with Osteotomy Implant 3 and IV-type implants. In summary, the 122 taper kit simplifies the drilling workflow while providing faster, safer, and more efficient implant placement. This concludes the introduction to the 122 taper kit. Thank you.